Yes, so Oga Madam, how will they be? This na Naija Economy Gist where they try they break down how CBN and our government policies they take affect your pocket. I be your guy, Dr. Tove. So say una they do okay. I beg us, una don't reach here. Make una sharply press like, make una subscribe if una never do them already, and make una try follow us for other platforms as they try they grow. Thank you very much. For today episode, today gist. We want to talk about the recent report where the National Bureau of Statistics drop for mid-March. And we know you talk about everything for the report. I just want to focus on one part where we say headline inflation. Headline inflation will be the total inflation for Nigeria. We cover the price of everything where if you buy from your recharge card to your malaria medicine. That headline inflation don't drop from 15.1% to 15.06%. Woohoo! I beg, we could not deceive ourselves. This 0.04% drop. Now, like person where they inside ocean, we use 1 cup common water for the ocean. Share the water for the ocean don't reduce? Yes, technically. But share the ocean, no say water come up for that ocean. Now the situation be that. So even though inflation don't reduce from 15.1% to 15.06%, inflation still there. And this now what the economists they call disinflation. Inflation still there, but now small the thing they run. So for example, instead make price of bread under normal inflation, for example, jump from 1.5 to 2.5. Under disinflation, the price go jump from 1.5 to like 1.7. So the increase still there, but it no mad like that. Or imagine say they run inside bush and lion they chase you. Even if the lion reduce in speed from let's say 60 miles per hour to 58.9, sure you go still feel outrun that lion. Not really, because the lion still they chase you and you still they run for your life. And now waiting that 0.04% drop feel like. Whichever analogy way you understand, take them like that. But waiting be the benefit of this 0.04% drop, because the CBN and the National Bureau of Statistics drop this thing like say na good thing. So make we see waiting be the good thing. Now, it just means, say, the medicine where CBN, they give our current inflation rate will be about 26%. The medicine where they give them will be high interest rate, don't start to the work. So that high interest rate don't start to catch some of the excess money where they fly for street. And the fever don't they come down small. But why this small drop no they reach your pocket? Now, because of waiting economists, again, they call sticky price theory. If taxi driver, for example, because of say fuel costs, increase their price. If fuel price reduced by 100 naira, that taxi driver no go automatically reduce the price of in taxi, because instead they go mechanic, instead they buy fuel, instead they maintain other things. So now waiting that 0.04% drop be that. Now small thing, but it go take a while, it go take time before the drop reach you. So to the common man, that price will slow down, still be high price. The 15.6% still means say your money still they lose value every day. So if you tell person now we just paying rent, say say inflation don't drop. If you use in left hand, reset your brain, because to the average Nigerian, this drop now like ghost for market. Nobody they see them. And speaking of market, make we talk about the one where they make our eyes see pepper. And that one are the food matter. Food inflation, still part of the report. Food inflation don't jump, go 12.12%. And this now why the price of your pot of soup be like say na marriage introduction you they cook for. How expensive things be. Now the headline inflation, the form say I don't drop by 0.04%, but food inflation no one live that kind of life. Tomato, don't get pride. Onion, they form like saying get master's degree. And to cook jollof rice, so some people they go borrow money to cook jollof rice. And this 12.12% jump for food inflation now because of cost push inflation. It means say, no because say Nigerians get too much money, now because of the price of fuel. Price of fuel, they high well. And as the price of fuel, they high, the trailers where they transport food from the north or tomatoes, anything from the north come south, those ones don't expensive. And farmers as well, no fit enter farm for not like that, go farm again because of insecurity. And we know say CBN and their interest rate, no fit solve insecurity, no fit fix bad road, no fit fix bandit. So because of insecurity wahala for north, farmers no fit go work. As farmers no fit go work, tomatoes and other food stuff we would plant for inside Naija don't scarce. And the transportation cost to move goods from the north to the south, everything not high because of fuel price. And now market woman go sell her tomatoes very, very high. And now your own 500 naira don't even buy 2 pieces of tomatoes again. So if you spend all your money for food, you no go fit pay tailor. Tailor, because say you no pay him, tailor no fit buy, no get money to buy soap. Soap seller no get money to buy food. It just be like say one heavy breeze, just the way they blow everybody house down for street. Now the effect of this food inflation jump be that. So I beg, if person invite you come the house, may you come chop. You know, say that will not be just food, or that one are investment. So treat that person with respect because 12.12% increase in food inflation will be beans. And as we they try survive the food wahala, the Naira just sit down for one corner, the locust. You know they run, you know they jump. Why? Because according to the report too, Naira don't steady. Around for February, Naira steady for around 1,382 Naira per US dollar. 1,382 per US dollar. As I they record this thing right now, Naira now 1,392 Naira per dollar. We know say Naija na importing nation. And almost everything we they import from toothbrush to fuel, everything they come from outside Naija. And if dollar be like Oga, Naira na the boy. So if Oga say I know they move, the boy too go there. So why this one take matter to you? Because the Naira done steady small, importers, because they import everything, remember, importers fee estimate their profit. And because they fee estimate their profit, we fee get small stability for the economy, stability in prices of goods and services, that kind of thing. And if we get good foundation, if the floor no shake, you feel start to the build. But the floor right now don't stabilize for 1,382 Naira per dollar. And that was still high there. So the house where we go build on top that foundation of $1,382 is high well. So waiting with the final verdict for today's episode. Our economy, right now, Nigeria economy, be like new farm where person just inherit. The ground still hard, sun still the hot, and the weeds will be what we call inflation, still plenty around the farm. But we don't start to see small vegetable, they grow small from the soil. We call that one disinflation. It never reach to harvest, and we never reach to cook party rice. But at least the land no be forest again. However, until rain, where go be good food, light, security, fall well for that farm, the news from Abuja, the news from the National Bureau of Statistics could just be like Oyibo or baby grammar for our ear. So waiting be my advice if you ask Dr. Tove. So waiting you go on will do now. Well, with the main thing now to keep the Naira steady. If you feel buy made in Naija, I beg buy them. If you be business owner, look for how to use made in Nigeria materials. Because when you buy from your neighbor, you dey pour water for your own farm too. And if you be consumer, just customer, you know be owner of business, I beg budget tight. This now Naija Economy Gist, and I be your host, Dr. Tobes. Until next time, I beg my people, make una press like, subscribe, follow us for all of our platforms. I dey active for TikTok at this point in time, so Follow our TikTok as well. I'll be your host, Dr. Topes. Keep your hustle clean, keep your head high, and remember, now small, now ain't goat. Take chop yam. We could jam again for the next episode. Peace out, people.